A very good morning, Miss Sandra and my fellow friends. Today, I'm going to share a TED Talk presented by Amisha and with the topic of how to tame your wandering mind. Okay, firstly, Amisha is a neuroscientist and specializing in the brain mechanism of attentions, and she started the talk by sharing a statement which is actually our brain only works 3% of the time. It's actually a false statement. To be honest, our brain is actually a very powerful and strong human organ, which 100% working all the time. But here brings another problem, which is information overloaded. Because from the environment, our brain just keep on accepting message. So here, it brings the problem. But actually, there's a solution for this, which is attention. Attention can solve this problem. So before a further explanation, Amisha firstly explained that why is important why is attention so important for us? And she explained it by telling a testimony of his friend, his marine friend. And she asked the question that our attention is actually our brain boss, right? And is it a good boss? And if yes, why does our brain sometimes fail us by leaving us foggy or distracted? And can we train our brain for better attentions? And then Amisha, she explained that how the attention control receptions, explaining it with an experiment. Yeah, and then the result the result of the experiment shows us that external distraction like stress and internal distraction like mind wandering, it does affect the attentions, and all of this is mainly caused by mind wandering, and then stress, which is magnifying the distractions. But fortunately, it can be prevented. Amisha said that the opposite of the mind wandering is mindfulness. So based on some studies and data that Amisha presented, it says that people who does mind wandering practice, and the people who does not practice mind wandering, who does not practice mindfulness, their attention string graph is definitely different. But definitely the one who doing the mindfulness practice, it does have a much more better results compared to the one who does not practice mindfulness. So from data and study, Amisha said that mindfulness is not a process but a practice. So based on the TED Talk, I understand that taming our wandering mind can be done by practicing mindfulness, and it can be done. It definitely do bring us some benefits in our real life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So she does like encourage people to do the practice of mindfulness. And in short and sweet, I think that it was a brilliant presentation, and she's good at proving her points by sharing testimony or sharing some experiment data, and she also have interaction with the audience and live, and I can see that she do well prepare for her presentations. But I think that her talking speed is a bit too fast, and there are some unclear pronunciation of words, and sometimes it would just like confuse me about. But all of this is just a drawback. And this is the end of my presentations. Thank you for attention, and thank you. Have a nice day.